Hi, this is Pete at JDM Car and Motorcycle in Sequim. And this is our new lineup of minivans. 1996 Active Street, rear-wheel drive, 5-speed. We got a 97 Domingo Subaru, 5-speed, 4-wheel drive, seating for 7. Got a new little Daihatsu Cargo, 2000. And we got a 2000 Daihatsu Atrai 7. And then we got a Suzuki 2022. You have to use it privately. It can't be on the road, but it's really nice and clean. It only has 1,000 miles. Here's another Suzuki Cargo 2000. And we have another 2000 Suzuki Cargo, or a Caravan. And here's another Daihatsu Atrai 7 automatic. And a 2000 Mitsubishi Cargo Van. And last but not least, a 2000 Toyota Nadia. It's not really a minivan, it's just kind of an unusual vehicle. But it's cute and it's 4-wheel drive. All these are mostly 4-wheel drive.